Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by activating the NFC radio and adding a payment card to your wallet app. Once done, verify identity with the required PIN or biometric so tokenization completes. Make sure the card becomes the default contactless method in payment settings. You also need to check your bank's verification step, approve the small test authorization or SMS code. After that, confirm contactless limits and merchant terminals accept contactless. This avoids surprises at checkout and gets you next practice positioning and letting the tokenized card transact. Hold the phone's NFC antenna area, usually center back, about 1-2 cm from the terminal. Once your device is unlocked, the wallet app will present the token automatically. Tap only when the payment app shows the active card. If the terminal requests a tip or amount confirmation, complete that first, then re-present your device. Stay patient. Some terminals take a second to recognize contactless tokens and will signal success with a beep, or you finish by confirming the receipt and checking the transaction in your wallet and bank app to ensure correct amount and merchant. Once complete, consider toggling NFC off when idle for extra security and minor battery savings. If a payment fails, first restart the device and try again. Make sure the wallet app and operating system are updated. If it still won't work, inspect the back of the phone near the camera for the NFC antenna area, remove thick cases, and retry. This fixes most contact issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.